Hello everyone, welcome to Almighty Tricks. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can host a website in simple steps. So who can watch this video? The person who is trying to deploy their application or static website in free of cost, they can watch this video. So in this video, we are going to use GitHub account to host the application. So GitHub account basically serves the static website. So we can use the static website to host in GitHub account, or we have one, let's say we can have one blog with static content, then we can host. If we are trying or if we are preparing for the job, then we can create one resume, static resume, and you can host the application in the GitHub. Or if you are trying to build a portfolio, in that case you can use the GitHub account to host the application. So in this tutorial, we are going to host our static HTML application in a custom domain. And if you see, I have purchased this almightytricks.co.in, and we are going to host in this domain, and we can access this domain anywhere in the world. So first steps is we can create one HTML page. Here we can write from the scratch, or maybe we can use the online tools. So here I'll be using one online tool, or maybe I can use the ChatGPT. And we need to have one GitHub account where we can upload the code and we can host. And this is optional. GoDaddy domain, it is optional. If you want to host your application in the custom domain, then you can go for GoDaddy domain, but it is very optional. So let's get started with the code.